The albedo is very important for global warming. It indicates how much solar radiation is reflected back into space by the Earth. The less is reflected back, the more the Earth heats up. Snow plays an important role in this context, especially in the northern latitudes, such as in the Arctic tundra. There, the Earth is covered in snow for several months. 3/4 of the sun's energy is reflected in this way. But that is changing. Therefore, governments and companies are currently promoting large tree planting projects in the Arctic region to mitigate the consequences of climate change. The trees are supposed to store CO2 and thereby reduce greenhouse gases. The inhabitants, on the other hand, have pragmatic economic motives for greening the polar region. They want to secure their supply of wood and reduce their dependency on imports. Scientists, however, strongly warn against the tree plans. Scientists wrote in the journal Nature Geoscience if trees are planted in the wrong places, such as in the treeless Arctic tundra and in bogs, they will exacerbate global warming in the worst-case scenario. In addition, the soils in the Arctic are particularly rich in carbon, which they have stored over thousands of years. The trees would then completely disrupt this balance and the CO2 storage system. This would be a double loss for the environment. Firstly, the albedo, the reflective effect of the snow, would be smaller, and secondly, this cancels out the carbon storage, especially as the biomass is limited and not very resistant. This is due to the fact that climate change is increasing the risk of forest fires and drought in the regions around the North Pole. In these regions in North America, Asia and Scandinavia would then release enormous amounts of CO2 every year into the atmosphere.